Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab, and welcome to my channel. And I wanted to talk to y'all about Fab Fit Fun. Did you all choose today? Today is choice, and they do give you a little time. If you missed it, if you haven't done it yet, go do it, and then come back and watch me. But if you end up joining in a day or two or three, you still can pick. So they may be out of something or other, but there's several choices in 6 different categories, so there's a lot to pick from. This is not my favorite season. A lot of times I say that when I'm looking at things, but then when I actually get things in my hands, I like it better. But there's a lot of skincare and hair care, and I like to get lifestyle products in my Fab Fit Fun. So what did y'all do? What y'all pick? Do you want to talk about it, or you want to wait till we get the box? Because now, of course, there are some influencers that have already gotten their boxes, but it'll take a while to get our boxes. The add-ons started yesterday, and I was quite disappointed with the add-ons, y'all. Usually when I go into the add-ons, I look, there just seem to be quite a bit less than usual. Usually you just scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll, and I did scroll, but not as much as usual. So I was a little disappointed, and I couldn't find any sheet mask sets or eye mask sets. So I was a bit disappointed. I like to get stuff like that in my Fab Fit Fun add-ons, and I didn't see anything like that. I did not get a mystery bundle. I do have a couple of mystery bundles from when they were $29. They have gone up to $39 now. If you're interested in Fab Fit Fun, I have a link below. You can join, and I think it'll save you $15 or 15% or something like that. I can't remember exactly. And they change the offer up sometimes. But if you join under me, I'm going to get something for it, but I don't even know what, honestly, because no one's ever joined up under me that I know of. So if maybe you'll get something. So I mean, you'll get something. Maybe I'll get something is what I mean. Okay. Anyway. Fab Fit Fun is a lot of people's favorite, and I've been getting it for a few years now, and I know just how much stuff do you need. So that's the way I look at it. But I picked some good things, and when I don't find things for myself, which is often, or gifts or something, I do pick things for y'all for future giveaways. So you'll see some of that when I get the box. And today, also, not today, yesterday. Was it yesterday? What day? I have been horribly busy. Like I can hardly even think. So one day this week, I think it was yesterday. It might have been this morning. I got a survey from Ipsy. And it said it was a survey from Boxycharm by Ipsy. And asked me a bunch of questions about my first Boxycharm by Ipsy, which is what the start of April was. So I wonder, did you all get that survey? Did everybody get that survey? But I did. I got that survey. And y'all, I just showed my address on my Ipsy. I got my palette that was missing. So here's my cute little, I don't know what you call it. It marks addresses off. So let's try it and see if it works. Oh yeah, it works great. It works great. There we go. Okay. I love it. Okay. So this is a little Temu find here. Super cute little thing. And I did get my little palettes. Oh, I had it open. Oh, there. It's hard to open, so I opened it ahead of time. And this is what I was missing. This is a $30 value. Fenty Beauty. There were different color, not choices. There were different colors. I picked this out of 6 items total, but I didn't get a choice of the palette color. So these are the colors. Let's open it and see, because we're going to swatch it. Let me get something to open this and not damage this. Also, I received as a gift from Andy Does Stuff. By the way, so many things. Andy Does Stuff, it's her birthday, and, well, yesterday was her birthday, and she hit 1,000. So please go congratulate her, and if you don't know her, go and sign up, and, let's get her to 2,000. And she's a fantastic lady. You'll really like her. She does beautiful makeup. Here comes the train. So I'll have her below. Anybody that I mentioned, I'll have below. She sent me an Odin's Eye mystery box. And y'all, oh my goodness, first of all, I was completely surprised because it came on Saturday night. I didn't check my mail last Saturday. I just never went to the mailbox. I don't know why. I usually do. But she sent me a message like at 9 o'clock at night. Hey, Mary, have you gone to your mailbox? I'm like, no, I haven't. So I ran out there, and there was this package, and it was the Odin's Eye mystery box, and I've never had anything from Odin's Eye. I'm wearing it now. This is this gorgeous squid palette. Gorgeous. So go see that video if you didn't see it. What I ended up doing was I did a live on Sunday. These are the colors. It has a mirror, so I do have that upside down. But I have these on. I have every color on my eye. On my eyes, I should say. And I even have some of the highlighter. I don't know if you can see it, but I put some of the highlighter on me. So I don't know if you can really see it. But I don't have the highlighter palette to show you. But anyway, go see that video if you didn't see it. I did a live on Sunday, and I show everything in there. So anyway, back to the Fenty palette. These palettes, they're small. They say they pack a punch. These are valued at $30, and they snap onto another palette. So you can carry, well, they sort of do like this kind of thing. You know, you can take another number and put it with this, and then you have a lot of different colors to work with. So, but this one, they all have 6 colors in them. And this was mostly on the pink side, pinks on the pinks. There is a mirror on one side, and then here are the colors. So let's swatch it real quick. Let's see, this is, okay, I'm gonna go across the top. This one is called Sleep Ova, Lil Miss, Stunt Queen. And this one's a shimmer, or like a glitter maybe. Oh, these are really pretty, y'all. See that? That's very light, you can see. These are, I've never had any, oops, I'm dropping things. I've never had any eyeshadows from Fenty. I've had some other things that I've really liked, mascara, eyeliners, but never eyeshadow. So when this was a choice, I wanted to try it for sure. And let's see, I didn't bring a thing to clean my fingers, so I'm gonna try to use, okay, different fingers, I guess. This one is called Sugar Shock, Spice Trip, and Diva Fever. Some of these names are cracking me up. Okay, oh no, I showed you the wrong thing. This is the Diva Fever, because it's glittery. This, I didn't clean this finger off, so, because that pink was too. All right, so these are the 3. So anyway, it's okay. We don't need to know the names right now. These, they swatch really nice. So even though to me, this all looks so pink in here, I do see, I'm glad I'm always glad when I swatch, y'all. Always glad. Because you get to see how the formula works. The formula is great. I love the colors. I thought it was all pink from the picture, but it's not. I love the browns mixed in with that. So this is beautiful. I love it. So thank you, Ipsy, for getting that to me. Boxycharm by Ipsy, okay? And I'll be using that soon. I really like it. What do y'all think? And I have, let's see, I've got so much going on. Y'all, it's been a rough week because yesterday was the anniversary of the tornado that hit my house 12 years ago. And it's still, you know, it still makes me think about, I mean, I'll never forget it. And then the day before that was 2-year anniversary of losing my buddy. And my heart is broken from losing Buddy. And I've lost a lot of pets over the years, and they all break my heart. But Buddy was, I don't want to say that he was better, but he wasn't better. They're all fabulous. You know, I love my animals. I love them. But he was just so different. He was because I always have cats. I have cats. I've had cats. I've lost cats. I love them. They're treasures. But Buddy was just such a companion. He was the love of my life. And I say that, and I can say it about my cats too. So I just really miss him. And I just was telling someone the other day that I feel like, you know, I have not put out flower pots for the last couple of years. I have these little flags that I put out, and I decorate, you know, I decorate the yard, and I haven't done it because I've just been so destroyed by losing him. But I feel like I might put some flowers out this year. I might do it. So usually around Mother's Day is when I go and buy things to pot. Because if you do it sooner than that, we have what we call blackberry winter that happens in April. Might get another frost. We might not, but we might. And then that would kill your stuff. So then you have to go buy it again, and I can't afford to throw money away like that. So anyway, this is starting to get a little bit long. So I want to tell you about my giveaways that are I have my treasure trove that's always going on. I have that Whisk F bag. I have a giveaway in that going on. The autism awareness collab ended up being 23 different channels, or actually 22 different channels, 22 or 23. There's one that still was having trouble getting her video up, so it may have been just 22 channels, which is a big chunk of channels, y'all. So if you have the time, if you want to learn about autism, which we all really should, because there's everywhere around us, there's people that will affect you. There's somebody in your life, someone around you that has autism, most likely. And I've learned so much from all the channels, and some of them are having giveaways. I had a giveaway. It will end tomorrow. So tomorrow, I have to work tomorrow. After I get home from work, I'll pick the winner. And then I also have my Temu collab, the Temu bandwagon collab that ends tomorrow as well. And there's 11 channels in there, and that you have to be subscribed to all 11 channels to win that giveaway from each of us. The autism awareness, you just have to be subscribed to me. So go check those out before tomorrow at noon Central Time. I get out work ends at noon. We don't get out of there till afternoon. So whenever I get home, 1, 2, 3 o'clock is probably when I get to sit down and relax it for a minute. I'll pick my winners. So you have up until then to enter if you want to. And I think that's really about it. I feel like there's more to talk about, but there's always more to talk about, y'all. But anyway, so thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, y'all. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I hope that you have a great rest of your Friday night. And I think if all is going well, then Kim's Happy Place is going live at 7:30. So if you see this at 7 o'clock and you're watching this and it's finished, then go over to her channel to see her. If you're seeing this after 7 o'clock and it's 7:30, 8:30 in that rate, Central Time. So go over and see if she's live, and then come back and watch me tonight or tomorrow. Go over and see if she's live and say hey, okay? All right, y'all, take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.